Hello everyone, this is the Microsoft Azure training from the Cloud Ranger. I am Sean Ismail, and this is our introductory training or the introductory series for the Microsoft Azure training. So let's get started. Cloud computing is not a fad. The sky is not going to clear. It is very hard to have a conversation with an IT professional these days without the topic of cloud coming up. But let's face it, we have had our doubts about this cloud thing, and I must concede, I have had mine as well. But my concerns and concerns of so many others were legitimate. I'll explore in the later videos why I had my concerns and why they had also been legit. So now that we have sort of realized that cloud computing is not a fad, what are we going to do about it? Well, if you're a seasoned IT professional, you know very well that success in our career strongly depends on adaptability of technology. Things we have used extensively last few years may easily be wiped out and rendered useless but completely by a new technology that will come this year or the years to come. And if you're new to IT, well, just trust us when we talk about adaptability. There is a major paradigm shift in computing, and cloud technology has been quite disruptive. So yes, you need to be at least aware of cloud principles and techniques at a fundamental level. I must let you know that there are several cloud offerings in the market these days, and Microsoft Azure, Amazon AWS, Google Computing are some of the largest ones among many others. We're actually doing this right now. Well, so what is this training series all about? Well, in this training series, we are going to learn about Microsoft's cloud offering, known as the Microsoft Azure. More specifically, we are going to concentrate on Microsoft Azure IaaS, which is Infrastructure as a Service. Don't worry if you don't understand what IaaS is yet. We will go over the details in upcoming videos, what it all means. Once you go through the training provided in the series, you will be proficient in Microsoft Azure Cloud Platform. But not only that, you will also be able to master the new Microsoft certification, which is 70533, which is implementing Microsoft Azure Infrastructure Solutions. This training series is actually geared towards IT professionals with some experience in the field with the servers and network infrastructure, as this will not be technically a beginner series. What I mean by that is if you do not know what Microsoft Active Directory is yet, or IaaS, or DNS, DHCP, or not have worked with them either at a work or a lab environment, this training series will be a little hard to follow. And if you're a developer watching this training is also going to be beneficial for you. No, we will not be developing apps for the cloud in this series, but you will have a much deeper understanding of Microsoft Cloud. This training series will constitute of many sequential and I must say digestible sized videos. I don't want this to become like an hour or 2 hour long training sessions where you lose concentrations. I know I lose mine after 30 minutes or so. And that will help you get started with Microsoft Azure. Now, this is the best part. This training is absolutely free. A great scientist, Sir Isaac Newton, I'm pretty sure all of you know about him, once said, "If I have seen further, it is by standing on the shoulders of giants." I believe this. I've done so myself over the years from many educators, professionals, mentors, peers, and just random strangers over the internet. Well, I am no giant, but I feel privileged to have received the training and knowledge that I do professionally. So my goal here is to sort of enable you to learn something and see further, and at the same time share that knowledge. Well, this brings us towards the end of this series introduction. Now some logistics about this course. The training set URL is going to be primarily the website of the Cloud Ranger, so which is www.cloudranger.net/Azure training. We have a YouTube channel where you are watching this video most likely right now. That's the Cloud Ranger Network. And our Twitter handle is @CloudRangerBlog. We do have a Google Plus site as well. You can always put comments about a video or if you have questions, post them in the comments, both on the blog site where the training site is presented or on the YouTube channel. Either works. Or if you need something more rapid and a fast response, you could also try emailing me. But the whole idea is to share knowledge here. So if you can comment on the videos and ask questions there through a comment, that will actually be beneficial for other people who might have the similar questions like you do. And that will be really appreciated. Well, this brings us towards the end of this series introduction. I hope this is going to be beneficial for you. And do subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.